Hey guys, welcome back, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Twitch link to TikTok. Without further ado, let's get started. Now let's just head on and open up the Twitch account right here. And what we're going to do from here, from the following page, is to click on this create option at the top right corner. And this will be switching to the creator mode. Now let's click on the stream manager option right over here. And just click on this pencil icon at the top right part of the screen. Like that, and I'll scroll down a bit, and you should be able to see the option that says share link to channel. So just click on the share option right in line with that. Click on share, and let's click on copy so that we will be able to copy our Twitch profile link. So now that we have our Twitch profile link, let's just head on and open up TikTok right here. And from here, let's go to our profile page by clicking on this profile icon at the bottom right-hand corner. And first thing that we're going to make sure is that you have over 1,000 followers, because you can't add a Twitch link that is clickable. After you have reached 1,000 followers, you also need to switch your account to a business account. So to do that, just click on this 3-bar line icon at the top right corner. Click on settings and privacy. Click on manage account, and let's just click on switch to business account so that you'll be able to add a clickable link to your TikTok account. Now that you have switched your account to a business one, just click on edit profile right here, and you should be able to see an option to add a website link. So I don't have that because I don't have over 1,000 followers, but if you don't have over 1,000 followers as well, you can just click on the bio option right here. Click on that, and we can just paste in the link right here. Paste it, and just click on save at the top right corner, and it will be shown on your bio at your profile, but it will not be clickable by anyone, but anyone can just type it in on their browsers. And so that is how you can basically add Twitch link to TikTok. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.